Hey everyone, Jake from MowBot here. Some of you may have experienced this error and I'm going to show you how you can solve it. So this error basically means that there's a blockage in the cutting system. Typically it will be behind the cutting disc, so I'm going to show you how you can take it all apart to get to the blockage. So first off, you want to take your 3 screws out of your bearing cover using a T20 and a drill or a screwdriver. I've already done this, so I can just take the bearing cover off and the skid plate and put it to one side. Then we want to take the bearing out, and using the Allen key we want to carefully remove the screw and make sure we don't round the screw like so, and then the bearing will just pop out like so, and we can pop it on the side. So once we've taken our bearing out, we can then take the 3 screws that go from the cutting disc into the cutting motor using the same T20 and drill. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And the cutting disc will just lift off like so. So as you can see here, poor Jerry's got some grass stuck in his cutting motor, so you can use a pick to get rid of the grass, but it's important to note that you don't want to damage the cutting motor, so just make sure that you're picking away at just the grass, and then you'll be able to loosen it up and pull it out like so. Look at that. So now we've got all the stuff out of Jerry. We don't want that in there, so we'll just chuck that away, and then we'll begin to assemble our cutting system again. So to assemble it back together, we start with our cutting disc with our cutting disc screws, which are the smaller ones out of the few. Then we go to our bearing, then our bearing screw, then our skid plate, and then we put the bearing cover on top of the skid plate, and then we follow with the screws. Remember, you want it so the grooves are facing upwards. And that's how you sort a cutting system blocked error, and now Jerry can get back on the lawns.